Welcome guys. Welcome to my Leetcode solving section. Yeah, so in this video, it's just a number of strings that appear substring in words. This is a simple stupid question. So given an array of strings, patterns, and string words, and then return a number of strings in pattern that is a substring in words. So basically, this question just say that suppose you have a pattern, right, and you have words, and you need to check that whether each word in pattern is a substring of this word. So for example, A is a substring of ABC, ABC is a substring of ABC, BC is a substring of ABC, D is not a substring of ABC. Right, so you can check that there are three of them, right? So answer is 3. Okay, so and for this one, which is 2, because A is okay, B is okay, C is not okay. Okay, so for the 3, so you just initial, okay, so in the Python that you just called A in ABC. If this is if this guy return true, that means sure it's a substring. If not, it's not substring. So you just that result to be 0, and then you go through the pattern and then check whether that pattern is in words. If it's return true, that means we find answer. So just add 1. Else we don't do anything. Okay, now you can check that this code still solve it, and see you guys next videos. Bye bye.